Yeah, g'day. It's Chris here from the Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia. Now, what I've got here is all the walls are sealed. This is day 3. I'm in the process of sealing the walls and floor, ready for waterproofing. I'll just turn that sucker around. Yeah, and you might be able to see a little bit better. It's a special primer sealer that you put on before your waterproofing application. I'll be doing 2 coats, wall and floor, and 3 in the shower base before I bed it tomorrow. Tomorrow I will be tiling the floor, and then on Friday the walls. So by the end of the week, which will be 5 days, we should have a fair hunk of the walls done. Monday I'll be finishing off the tiling. Tuesday I'll be grouting. Yeah, hi. This is your bathroom that's waterproofed. I'll just turn the camera around. Yeah, so this has all had fully 2 wonderful coats of waterproof. So we're ready for tiling the floor. We're going up to the ceiling with the tiles. I'll turn the camera back on when I start doing the shower floor, and you'll see how I do that. I wet bed, old school way, and I'll probably have to bed slightly outside the shower as well. But you'll see what I do when I get there. Okay. I'll put down another layer of waterproof, which I always like to, a 3rd one in the shower the next day, and it also acts as my slurry for my mud as well. And when it all dries, it goes nowhere. So I just cover the waterproof before it dries. This mud that I mix up, sand and cement, it's pre-mixed in a bag, and it has all the polymers and everything in it. It's so easy to screed, to work with, and dries so strong. It's absolutely brilliant. The other week I was taking out a shower and someone had used this mud, and I had to go and hire a big jackhammer to get it up. Usually with the mud used in the shower and in the bathroom, it's hand mixed and it's rubbish. Nothing like this bag stuff. And out here is a little bit too much slope for a large tile. But I'll fix all that as I go. I haven't got much room up here, but you get that sometimes. I don't have to worry about the tiles out there because it's all going to be carpet. So if I scratch them slightly, it doesn't matter. It's all going to be covered in carpet. I never worry about the dryness. Can you see me down here? G'day. I never worry about the dryness like a lot of tilers do. So it's got to be dry and you hold it in your hand and you do all that shit. No. It doesn't. If you're screeding it and leaving it, yes, it's got to be drier to work with, but the way I do it, I lay straight away.